Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're making skillet beef burritos. Real easy to make, really tastes great, so if it sounds good, we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, here's all the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe. We're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, one 15-ounce can of black beans, going to partially drain those. We're going to need 1 cup of salsa, your choice on if you want mild, hot, whatever. 2/3 cup of water, 1 ounce package of taco seasoning. Then we're going to need 4 8-inch flour tortillas. I've got the little smaller ones because I like the smaller ones, so I'll use more to make up the difference. And then 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese and sour cream, as much as you want to top it after you get everything cooked. So everything's there except for the ground beef. I got it thawing, but we'll bring it over here and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, I got most of my ingredients over there all measured out and ready to go. We got our frozen beef here. You can use fresh beef. I buy beef and hamburger in bulk, so I break it down into 1 pound packages roughly and then freeze it. So, and a little tip there, use the quart freezer bags, smash it out nice and flat, and it freezes better, stores better. And it also, you can, when you're using it like this, you can brown it easier and quicker. So I'm going to let this cook, get browned up, and we will bring you all back. Alright y'all, got this ground beef all browned up. We're going to use the good china here. We're going to drain that, try to get all that grease drained out of there. Which this wasn't really greasy burger. I buy the highest quality I can, the leanest. I'll pay a few cents more for a leaner beef, so I'm not paying for all that fat, because when you cook it, all that fat's gonna just rinse out or wash out of there anyways, or cook out of there anyways, and you're gonna throw it away. So you're throwing your money away. So alright, got that. Like I said, let that drain for a little bit, and then we're going to come back and we'll get everything all mixed together. Alright y'all, it's all drained. We're going to start out and we're going to add our taco seasoning. Maybe if I can get the package open, rub it down there far enough. Just dump that on there. And then we're going to take 2/3 cup of water, add that in there. Get that all smooched around in there. Them clumps broke up. Get this all mixed up good. Let that beef absorb some of that taco seasoning. Alright. That's looking delicious. Of course, everything I cook looks delicious. And it is delicious. Looks are not deceiving on my channel. Okay, we're going to take our black beans. Throw those in there. Like I said, those were partially drained. And get those all mixed around. Get them kind of coated in that seasoning too, because we want everything to have the good seasoning. So, alright. Now comes our cup of salsa. Now, if you don't want to use salsa, you could probably use diced tomatoes, the Rotella tomatoes with the chili peppers in it. That would probably be fine too, but the salsa just has, has some onion and garlic and some other seasoning in it. So, and you can adjust it how you want. If you want to add a little more salsa, you can. You know, a little less beans. You know, it's totally up to you. So, all right, get that there going. Now we want to let this just simmer. Let all these flavors mingle and everything. About 7 to 10 minutes, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, whatever it takes to get it, you know, kind of cooked up. Let some of that water get out of there. So I'm gonna put it on just between medium high, somewhere right in there. Put the cover on it and just let it go, and we'll bring you back when it's ready for the next stuff. Alright, y'all, we got that all kind of thickened down. Now we're going thickened up, well, whatever. Now we're going to take our tortillas we chopped up there. Now originally it said to slice them into strips. I prefer to cut them into more of a bite-size, bite-sized piece. Easier to eat. So get them all mixed in there. Get them all kind of broke apart. Get them off the sides. Alright. Now I'm going to shut the heat off, but I'm going to leave it on the burner because it'll stay a little warm there. And then we're going to take our cheddar cheese, mix that in. Shake her down a little bit there. Get that stuff off of there. I'm going to let it cover it and let it sit for a few minutes and let that cheese and stuff melt, and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all, it's just been a couple minutes here, and that cheese is melted in there nicely and really thickened that up. That is looking awesome. Now if you want to add more burritos to it, or tortillas to it, if you want to, you can do that. Myself, this is perfectly fine with me. So we're going to use the good china. Get us a nice helping of that. I want a few more of those. There you go. And then we're going to get a little sour cream. I'm going to put a little dollop of sour cream on there. Just like that, and yummy yummy, you know. Let's eat. Alright, y'all, we got the skillet burrito, easy skillet burrito. Got a little bite here. Oh, that is so good. I gotta have another bite. Awesome. Great midweek kind of meal. You can cook it up in just a few minutes. It'll feed the whole crew. So it's really good. You can change it up. You can add to stuff. Add to what you want. Change way. Like I said, add hotter salsa. Add chili powder. Add some onions to it. However you want to change it up. That's just a basic recipe. That's how I like to cook it. So that's how we did it. But it is really good. So I really appreciate you all watching and hanging out. Stick around to the end of the video, if you would please. Go down there and little right down over here somewhere. Hit that button that looks like this. Smack it. Give it a good thumbs up. Then, if you really like it, go down in the comments. Say hi. Looks great. Awesome meal. Whatever. Help the channel out. So do appreciate that too. So if you're new to the channel, of course, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, out on the road, at the tractor pulls, or wherever we happen to be or whatever we happen to be doing. So again, appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit. Oh, no beverage of the day today. I'm just having regular old coffee. So anyways, catch you all in the next one. Appreciate you.